So we pulling up, about to pull up in the new house. Oh yeah, they did cut the grass. We got a lot of work to do, guys.
Oh, did that fall?
We got a lot of work to do.
They kind of cut the grass. I didn't think they was gonna do it like that. I was like, you sure they cut it? Did they cut it? See, I thought they was gonna have some more professionalism, but it's okay.
Oh man!
It's the gifts we received from the title company. Got some nice cake and a gift card.
Excuse my face, y'all. That looking crazy.
Hey, you look good. You look good.
All right, so about the show y'all the inside.
Yeah, we got work to do. They kind of cut the grass. Look at all that.
How you doing?
What is this? Hi. Right now?
Right now. We're going to start moving in now. Okay. My wife, Danisha, my son, Zane. Danisha.
Call me Di.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
We can call her what you get from.
Okay. Alright. Opening. You gonna change these locks soon?
Yeah. Probably today.
Today? Damn. Shoot. Oh yeah, we did get it in the mail. Oh, the light didn't come on yet?
No.
Oh, okay. So them switches don't work?
Yeah.
Let me see now.
Change this shit out too.
Oh shoot, so now we gotta change this. It's okay, this is what we do. We buy houses that look okay and then we just remodel it and sell it later. Get that nice profit. It's another way to real estate, y'all. Buy the house, renovate it, sell it. Live in it. That's one way you could do that. It's a real estate. Yeah, all these switches. Was it like this before? I don't remember that. I remember we turned this junk on before. When we first came here.
Yeah, they like, damn, they took the light bulbs.
Yeah, so we already ordered new appliances. Except I gotta find me a good refrigerator, but we had ordered new washer and dryers, got a better sink, faucet, the dishwasher, stove. We know what we're gonna do with the kitchen with the remodel. So get a good look before.
Well, and we'll get another picture, whatever.
Yeah.
Cause we gotta get some new light bulbs and stuff. So.
In this room, we're gonna be remodeling this room. As you can see, it's older. This light don't work too. What the hell? So yeah, we're gonna remove all these wood panels, change the flooring, and put a better light. You know what that is? The recessed light. You know, we're gonna fix this up.
That light don't work either?
No.
Right,
I could have sworn this worked before, like when we first came here. And this is connected to the nope, what?
No, this one, I think this light was over here.
Okay.
It's an old house, y'all.
Yeah.
So
it's connected to the garage, so it's a nice big room to walk in.
This is the garage right here.
Oh, it's blurry. Okay, here we go. So he left all the work stuff for James, work table, because that's, he worked on his car.
My last table, I built myself, shit.
Wait, why the lights? Maybe the electricity is not on yet.
I gotta be, because it wouldn't be no.
But why all the switches are not working all of a sudden? Anyway, this is the garage, the first garage door. Oh, James, look. You didn't see that. Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah, I seen you when we first got here.
Okay, so it's a 2-car garage. We're gonna fix this up some. And that's the second part. This goes up too. It's like another space. We could put like the lawnmower and all that good stuff.
Yeah. That's it.
Perfect. Extra space.
Goes out to the back.
Goes out to the, let me see.
Goes out to the backyard.
She ain't no spiders in there.
You gotta probably unlock it, yeah. Yeah, don't touch all that, baby. I'll do that later. Your ass know how you acting spider.
So I was like, wait, I thought it was spider web. It goes out to the backyard, which I'm not gonna open this, but and this is shed right there. Yeah, back in here. They left this freezer. It's an old school freezer, but it's pretty dope. I like it. Never seen a freezer like that. Oh yeah, you definitely gotta change that. You hear this? That's okay. James know how to fix that. We're gonna get rid of this carpet.
Oh, you missed the most important part.
What?
You got a water treatment system in here. Nah, that ain't the most important part, but I thought that was pretty cool. You know what I mean? So the water's already
throughout the house. The water's filtered. So in this room, we're gonna take out all this carpet because I don't, walking inside of a house and it's carpet.
Waste money.
No, it's gonna track all the dirt and all that. So just take all this crap out and put some nice flooring. Be nice and clean. And take the hallway out and put the flooring too. Do that. Pantry.
So we're gonna have to basically I'm gonna change all this out.
But make it more modern. Take all that crap. That's old school. Right?
Probably put a better toilet seat. Change all this crap out too. I'm gonna put towel down in here, and then I'm gonna change the shower. What's the name? Whatever. So I'll probably change the fan in here too. Put a new modern.
Look on Little James real quick.
Huh? Yeah, I already did.
Okay. And this is the makeshift bathroom. I don't know what they was doing in here, but we're gonna give it some TLC. But they did leave us a beautiful tub.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna keep that. And then I'll probably put like a sink over here, put a mirror.
Yeah, put a sink here, put the toilet there.
Yeah, I'll
there's no toilet. They call this a bathroom, but there's no toilet in here.
There's a toilet in here. That's what I'm gonna probably do.
We're gonna put the shower.
We got the what's the name line? We just have that one. Whatever, we'll see.
No. Stand-up shower in there.
Yeah, y'all tell us what y'all want.
Alright, so this is a handicap tub, right?
Oh, it's a tub.
We're gonna take it. We're gonna take it out and put a stand-up shower in here, and then put a toilet right there, because that's a space I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that. And then put the sink right here, and then you have a tub. Because I know for sure I'm not gonna take a bath every day, and I'm not gonna go in the other bathroom to do that. So, what do you guys think?
I think they with me.
Stand-up shower in
the
here, or a toilet?
Are you showing the sauna?
And then this is the sauna they left. A mini sauna. Pretty dope. Kill all that coronavirus in
They
there.
took this out.
Oh, so he needed it probably. I guess he's in a wheelchair. There used to be electrical, what's it called?
Staircase. Well, electrical stair thing. They took it out.
Yeah, there's a handicapped person who owned this house, so.
Yeah, I was gonna sell that shit. I guess they was like, shit, we'll take it.
Right, so we're gonna take this room, remove all this carpet and put new, and this is the walk-in closets, his and her side. It's pretty dope. And this is, we missed 2 rooms around. This is a room, and this is another room, get all this carpet out. And the carpet's not bad, it's just, I don't like the color, you know what I'm saying?
In the rooms.
We'll see. I'm talking about the carpet color, I don't think. Trying to sell this house or not? Like. Now they took some of the cabinetry out, I think.
They did?
It looked like it. It looks less of stuff.
They took some of that shit out?
I don't know. They got some broken glass. I don't know. Anyway, this will be our workroom for some businesses that we have and some I'm going to start. So Kokomowa, look us up, kokomowa.com. This will be our workroom. Fix this up. We got a sink and everything. And then it's attached to a deck.
Yep, we got to fix that deck up.
So we'll fix this deck. Y'all seen us, y'all seen us fix the deck in our old house. So this needs some loving too.
Yep.
I don't see no rotten wood, I don't think.
There's a couple pieces.
Couple pieces?
Yeah.
This is the part of the backyard, you guys. Which, you see all that? I need to cut some of this stuff. Oh, this is backyard.
Flowers, so.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're gonna have to buy the thing to put here.
Yeah, old school pencil shop.
Oh, good. Yo, that's the one I wanted, though. Y'all remember these? These don't work real good. See if you took stuff out the attic real quick. Those boxes up there. You just pull the thing down.
I'll do that shit later.
No, it's easy to pull it down.
I know, I'm saying. Not the camera. That shit, man. You like the toad. Rabbits. Whatever, but yeah, so.
And downstairs is like a walkout basement.
I forgot about that.
It's a bigger house than what we had before.
I'm gonna take all this carpet out, and then I'm gonna probably put some wood on there and make it look nice, stain it.
Yeah, fix that up. So they call this a walkout basement. So.
Yeah, I'll probably turn this into a closet, or and have like this maybe a partial small little bedroom, whatever.
When we sell.
Yeah.
But not now. So this is what they call a walkout basement. It goes out to, there's a third driveway right here. It's pretty nice, different. And then this was a workroom for whoever was living here before. You probably make this one a closet.
They put a chair in here.
Yeah.
They just took the track.
They took it out and just left it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this was, what were they doing? Wood, what was it?
Yeah, I don't know what the hell he was doing.
I don't know, some workroom where this machine turns on and I don't know what's happening. So this is like the last room we're gonna do.
Yeah.
But this probably could be the closet, Jen. It has a door ready.
Or a
And
bathroom.
this could be a suite. Oh, yeah, bathroom or a closet, whatever. This is like a suite or whatever. But yeah, this is it. So we got some work to do, but we're gonna do room by room.
Yep.
And
The
then,
reason why we had to get a house like this too is because we kind of want to save money or whatever, because the market out here is very competitive, and there wasn't a lot of houses
available. We
whatever,
did like
so.
what, 3 bids and lost
Yeah.
every one. People outbidding us and
Yeah.
nicer houses with
Yep.
stuff is not, as we had to remodel this whole thing, it wasn't like that.
Yeah.
But we couldn't get nothing, so we was like, F it. We just get a house like this,
And
and
nobody else wanted it.
nobody else wanted, because it's
And it had a lot of potential. So this house is real nice.
yeah, it has a lot of potential. So we're gonna fix all this stuff. So
Yeah. All right, so guys, so we'll keep y'all in tune. You know what I mean? For when we got something else coming up, whatever. We're gonna be basically. All right, so guys, so we keep y'all in. You know what I mean? Tune, whatever. Every time we kind of do a little project, whatever. The kitchen's gonna be first, and then we probably gonna have to paint this whole house, cause I know if y'all see everything, it's jacked up, whatever. So for the most part, but you know what I mean, a lot of work we gotta do. So
jacked up means that's good because we can make it how we want.
Yeah.
So that's good too.
yeah, so all right, peace.